Hello dear friends, if you want to delete parental controls in your Android phone, then follow the steps. Tap on Play Store icon. Tap on your profile pic. Then tap on Settings. Select Family. Now tap on Parental Controls. Here you can see parental controls are on. Tap on the toggle switch. Type PIN. This is the PIN you used when enabling parental controls. Now parental controls are off. Go to the home screen and tap on Settings. Select Apps. Tap on App Management. In some phones, you may find Manage Apps option. Tap on that. Find Google Play Store. And tap on it. Then tap on Storage Usage. Select Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data. Select Delete on the confirmation dialog. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.